This is not just about a museum. This is about a place of education. It's a place of sharing, a place to lay out in workshops, in classes, in interaction and exchange. What does it really mean to live in a peaceful environment? I think the impact on school children will be incredibly powerful, but it's just my assumption that a lot of adults will get a great deal out of this as well, and that people will come.
Many of us say that we believe in peace, but we really don't spend a lot of time thinking about what peace is. What are the foundations of peace? What does active peace look like versus peace as an end state? What does a peace as a verb look like versus peace as a noun?
You want museums to tell, ideally, in an ideal world, the true story about the power and the intrinsic value of peace, why justice is actually central to peace, and why, in fact, with violence, humanity always loses, wherever it comes from.
We need the lighthouse in a big way to guide us. We need to show example, model that we can follow. And that's what I'm hoping, envision in the Envision Peace Museum. When we're troubled and when we need guidance, we have a place to come to. And then when teacher needs to know how to pass on value and guide our students, we have a place to know, to go to.
A year and a half ago, we decided that we would become the museum by being the museum now and start to work with our visitors, with our core audiences through a film series, a film and discussion series, through public programs, through traveling exhibits and more. But the fact that we're honing in on that first museum space is so exciting for me, particularly as we're now developing floor plans and exhibit outlines, etc. Envision is striving to be a new kind of museum. Early on, we decided that we were not going to build the museum ourselves, meaning we, the board and staff, but in fact, the community would build the museum.